never cared.
That looks so creepy.
I just like get a picture of it or something.
Absolutely.
After this, you're gonna need an alibi.
That look nasty.
Yeah.
Kim still shooting. She don't care about the body part she losing.
Man, get away from me, man.
I'm waiting for her to stick that thing right in your damn ear. Just so make sure. Gotta get that shot, G.
He say the craters on the floor. Kim still shooting. She don't care about the body part she losing. Brandy freaking out. She
Throw it.
shit over. She throw
Boom.
the knife and knock the whole crate over.
TV on. There you go.
Then that TV come on. He say the craters on the floor.
You got the knife in your hand. Yeah. All right. They all know.
You're stuck here. You're not gonna be able to get up.
I tried to move one good.
And
She woke up.
Hey,
Nothing less than freaking
keep going.
out. They supposed to be in the house. These straps kinda tight.
That's hot. Yeah, we got.
camera's hot.
It's a little worse, but they kinda. The most fingers, eyes, and ears. Let the games begin. This is not a drill.
That threw me off.
Niggas
My
do
bad.
say fingers, eyes, and ears. I hope that let one of you live. Whoever make the most fingers, eyes, and ears. Let the games begin. Shit. This is not a drill. Niggas do say fingers, eyes, and ears. They staring at each other. They see fear.
Camera's hot. Action.
Oh my goodness.
Try it again.
It was because the camera was on.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it one time. Go from picking it up off the floor.
Oh, yeah. Just go down like this and come up to it.
Oh.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Let the games begin. Shit. This is not a drill. Did this dude say fingers, eyes, and ears? Each other, they see fear. But they got families, time to get up out of here. He gave them a knife, not a sword. This shit is they both struggling at the first part. This shit is crazy. She's on
Man, look over there, huh?
You know what I'm saying? Fucking the cut.
She swiped. One swipe. She just shot him. Look over there.
So hit the floor. Randy can't have that.
Make one attempt with your hands.
Am I thinking?
Yeah.
Oh.
I thought it's straight. But it's cool.
I'm gonna turn it this way because
That's a comment.
I'm gonna cut myself.
Ain't no accidental shit going on
I'm
here.
gonna cut myself.
At each other, they see fear.
So since he's in my face and I'm supposed to be looking at her, am I looking at the camera?
How close are you, dude? How close are you?
About here.
Nah, look past him. Step to the side.
I mean,
just a little bit.
she could look past.
There
Yeah.
you go.
You mean look down?
Yeah, look at her now.
I'll look at your elbow.
Probably somewhere down here.
Over
yeah.
there?
One of them.
You mean look over there? Or you mean look right here?
Yeah, that.
Yeah,
that'll
close to
work.
this way. It looks like it works. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'm still staring.
After you try to cut it, you come to the realization, like, chill for a minute, and then I'll say throw it.
Okay, okay.
So, like, you went into the whole chill. Face down, you gotta know. There you go. Look over there at Brad. You looking at her? Oh, fuck this, I'm gonna swipe. Like, big arm up. There you go.
Bang.
Looking at her, she swipe, big swipe. Yeah, grab your fingers, muscle up the strength to grab them, pull them up so we can see them. There you go, keep going up, keep going up, toss them.
She smiled. She's just like.
Toss them like a hurt. Your face gotta tell us. To the
Toss 'em. There we go. Camera's hot. Hold on, Winnie. Camera's hot.
You concerned? Okay, there you go.
I guess it's not a win. I hope you live a good
Oh,
life.
Yeah, don't bring your hand.
Don't
up.
bring my little hand up.
That's cool. Can't even play dead right.
Are you smiling?
Yeah.
No, I was not smiling today. Said something, bro.
You were definitely smiling.
I was gonna get a shot like this. Chest up, whatever.
Just tell me, just say something.
Just be dead, bro. That's all I need to do. Make sure you're in focus. Alright, and action. Camera's up. Mm-hmm.
You want the chain shot?
Huh?
So you want the chain shot?
She woke up. Nothing